Is your LG monitor displaying colors incorrectly or looking a bit off? In this guide, we'll show you how to fix LG monitor color issues and help you achieve the perfect display settings for your screen. With a few simple adjustments, you can enhance your viewing experience and ensure that your colors are vivid and accurate. Whether it's for gaming, watching movies, or professional work, having the right color settings makes a huge difference. Step 1. Check monitor connection. First things first, let's ensure that all your connections are secure. Sometimes loose cables can cause color issues. Power off. Begin by turning off your LG monitor and your computer. Check cables. Disconnect and reconnect all cables including HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA. Make sure they're plugged in securely. Inspect for damage. Check for any visible damage to your cables. If you find any wear and tear, consider replacing them with new ones. Reboot both your monitor and computer once everything is securely connected. Step 2. Calibrate your monitor. Calibrating your monitor is essential for accurate color representation. Access settings. On your LG monitor, press the menu button. Navigate to the settings menu using the arrows on the monitor. Color adjustment. Go to the picture or color settings menu. Here, you might find settings such as color temperature, gamma, and RGB balance. Use built-in presets. Many LG monitors come with presets like movie, game, or sRGB. Experiment with these to find the best settings for your needs. Manual calibration. If presets aren't sufficient, manually adjust the RGB values until you're satisfied with the colors. You can also adjust brightness and contrast for the best result. For precise calibration, consider using a color calibration tool or software for detailed adjustments. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Keeping your graphics drivers updated can resolve many display issues. Check your GPU. Determine what graphics card you have installed. Visit the manufacturer's website. Find the latest drivers available. Download and install them following the provided instructions. Restart your computer. After installation, reboot your machine to apply the changes. Updated drivers often come with enhancements for color accuracy and compatibility with various monitors. Step 4. Test with different input sources. If issues persist, the problem might be related to the input source. Switch devices. Connect a different device to the LG monitor like a laptop or a gaming console. Try different ports. If your monitor supports multiple input ports, try switching between HDMI, DisplayPort, or others. Monitor settings. Monitor settings reset. Consider performing a factory reset on your monitor to restore default settings, then recalibrate. These steps help rule out if the issue is with the monitor or the connected device. And there you have it. You've learned how to fix LG monitor color issues with a few simple steps. Whether it was a matter of adjusting settings, updating drivers, or checking connections, these methods should help you get your display back to perfect condition. Remember, a well-calibrated monitor not only improves your viewing experience, but is also crucial for accuracy in work and entertainment. Don't compromise on quality. Use these tips to ensure your LG monitor always displays vivid and accurate colors.